Exercise number 10.1, fifth problem. How does the total surface area of a box, that means a cuboid, box is a cuboid. So that total surface area of that box, that means total surface area of a cuboid is changing if the dimensions are doubled. So if the dimensions are doubled, so we have to find how many times does the total surface area is going to change for that box. So let us start. In solution, we will write, first we are going with the original dimensions. So let the original dimensions be, so length will be L units, breadth will be B units, height will be H units, then TSA will be, then total surface area will become 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So this is the total surface area, original total surface area. Now we are going to change the dimensions. If the dimensions are doubled, so if we double the dimensions, we get like length is equals to 2L, breadth is equals to 2B, height is equals to 2H. So these are the doubled dimensions. So length we have doubled like that, breadth and height. Now we are going to substitute in the total surface area. Then total surface area is equals to 2 into, so length 12, breadth 2B plus 2B into 2H plus 2H into 2B, sorry 2L. 2L. Next 2 2 are 4, 4 into LB plus 2 are 4, 4 into BH plus 2 are 4, HL. Now we can take out 4 common, so we get 2, 4 is common, LB plus BH plus HL. We will take out this 4 outside and we will bring this 2 inside. So 2 comes out into 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So what is this? This is the original TSA. So 4 into original total surface area. Here we notice that if we double the dimensions, then we are getting the original total surface area 4 times. So that is total surface area increased by 4 times. Next, this is the second bit of the fifth problem. Each dimension is tripled. So just now we have done for doubled. Now we are going to do with tripled. So let the original and changed dimensions R. So we will take both. Original means we will get length, breadth and height, and changed means we are doing it 3 times. So 3L, 3B, 3H. So these are the tripled dimensions. Next we will get the original TS. Say original total surface area is equals to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So this is the original total surface area. Now we will write changed total surface area. Changed total surface area is equals to. So now we are going to substitute in place of L, 3L. So 2, 3L, 3B plus 3B into 3H plus 3H into 3L. Let us multiply this. 3 3s are 9 LB, 3 3s are 9 BH, 3 3s are 9 HL. Let us take out 9 common. 9 is common. LB plus BH plus HL. We will write this 9 outside and 2 inside. So we get 9 into 2 LB plus BH plus HL. So this is nothing but the original total surface area. So 9 into original total surface area. So now original total surface area is changed 9 times. So thus original total surface area is increased by 9 times if the dimensions are tripled.